In the vast darkness beyond our solar system, stars drift like embers scattered across an infinite ocean. Most are unimaginably distant, their worlds forever beyond our reach. But one star stands apart, not because it shines brightly, but because it is close. So close, in fact, that its light has been traveling toward us for just over 4 years. Proxima Centauri is our nearest stellar neighbor, and orbiting within its faint red glow is a planet that has become one of the most compelling targets in modern astronomy. Its name is Proxima b, and it represents something humanity has searched for across generations, a nearby world that might, under the right conditions, support life. Proxima b is not a dream sketched by science fiction. It is a confirmed planet, measured and constrained by data, its existence revealed through the subtle gravitational pull it exerts on its star. Yet for all we know about its orbit and mass, Proxima b remains a mystery, a real world hidden in the darkness, inviting us to imagine what life might look like beyond Earth. To understand Proxima b, we must first understand its star. Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf, a star far smaller and cooler than our Sun. It burns its fuel slowly, capable of shining for trillions of years, making red dwarfs the longest-lived stars in the universe. But longevity comes with volatility. Proxima Centauri is a flare star, prone to sudden, violent outbursts that can increase its brightness dramatically in mere minutes. These flares release intense ultraviolet and X-ray radiation, along with streams of charged particles that sweep across nearby space. Because Proxima b orbits extremely close, completing a full year in just over 11 Earth days, it exists deep within this stormy environment. What would feel like a distant solar wind on Earth could be a relentless bombardment on Proxima b, testing the planet's ability to protect itself. This dual nature, long-lived but violent, makes red dwarfs both promising and perilous hosts for life. Proxima b is almost certainly tidally locked, forever showing the same face to its star. One hemisphere is bathed in perpetual red daylight, while the other remains in endless night. There are no sunrises, no sunsets, only stillness in the sky. On the day side, temperatures could allow liquid water, if the atmosphere is thick enough to regulate heat. On the night side, temperatures may plunge, freezing gases and oceans alike. Between them lies a narrow ring of twilight, where light never fades and darkness never fully takes hold. This terminator region may be the most hospitable place on the planet. Winds could flow constantly from the hot side to the cold, creating a dynamic climate system unlike anything on Earth. Clouds may swirl endlessly, and weather patterns could remain fixed in place for centuries. If life exists here, it would evolve under conditions that challenge every Earth-based assumption we have about habitability. One of the greatest unknowns surrounding Proxima b is its magnetic field. On Earth, our magnetic field acts as an invisible shield, deflecting charged particles from the Sun and protecting our atmosphere from being stripped away. If Proxima b possesses a strong magnetic field, it may be capable of withstanding its star's fury. This field could be generated by a molten, rotating core, similar to Earth's geodynamo. But tidal locking complicates the picture. Reduced rotation could weaken magnetic protection, leaving the planet exposed. Without such a shield, stellar flares could slowly erode the atmosphere, molecule by molecule, over billions of years. Yet some models suggest that even a weakened magnetic field, combined with a thick atmosphere, could offer sufficient protection. The fate of Proxima b's atmosphere may depend on a delicate balance between destruction and renewal, a balance we have yet to observe directly. An atmosphere is more than air. It is a planetary system regulating temperature, transporting energy, and shaping the surface below. For Proxima b, atmospheric circulation could be the key to habitability. A dense atmosphere could redistribute heat from the day side to the night side, preventing extreme temperature differences. High-altitude clouds might reflect harmful radiation while trapping heat below. Greenhouse gases could stabilize surface conditions, maintaining liquid water over long periods. Volcanic activity could replenish atmospheric gases lost to space, while chemical reactions driven by stellar radiation could produce complex compounds, some potentially associated with life. Yet atmosphere can also be a liability. Excessive greenhouse effects could lead to runaway heating. Intense radiation could break apart water molecules, allowing hydrogen to escape and leaving the planet dry. Proxima b walks a fine line between stability and catastrophe. Water is the cornerstone of life as we know it, but it does not need to exist as vast oceans to support biology. On Proxima b, water may appear in unfamiliar forms and locations. It could exist as shallow seas beneath a thick cloud layer, protected from radiation. It could be locked in glaciers on the night side, slowly cycling through atmospheric transport. It could exist underground, warmed by internal heat and shielded from stellar storms. Subsurface habitats, similar to those suspected on Europa or Enceladus, could provide stable environments for life, even if the surface is hostile. In such places, life would not depend on sunlight, but on chemical energy and geothermal processes. If water exists on Proxima b, it may be hidden, but hidden does not mean lifeless. Life on Proxima b, if it exists, would likely be microbial, at least at first glance. Simple, resilient organisms capable of surviving radiation, temperature extremes, and limited energy sources. Photosynthesis, if present, would rely on red and infrared light rather than visible sunlight. Life might evolve pigments unlike any seen on Earth, absorbing longer wavelengths and giving the planet an unfamiliar hue. Ecosystems could exist underground, within rock pores, or beneath ice layers. Evolution might favor slow metabolism, radiation resistance, and chemical versatility. Proxima b challenges us to expand our definition of life, not as something familiar, but as something adaptable. From Earth, Proxima b is little more than a whisper in the data, but that whisper carries clues. By studying how its star's light changes as the planet orbits, scientists can infer the presence of an atmosphere and search for chemical imbalances. Oxygen, methane, and carbon dioxide, when found together, could suggest biological processes. But around red dwarfs, these signals are ambiguous. Stellar radiation can produce false positives, mimicking the chemistry of life. Future telescopes will sharpen our view. Direct imaging, high-resolution spectroscopy, and long-term monitoring may finally reveal whether Proxima b breathes, clouds over, or glows with heat. And beyond telescopes lies a bolder dream, sending probes across interstellar space to see this world firsthand. At just over 4 light-years away, Proxima b is closer than any other potentially habitable exoplanet. Concepts like laser-driven sails and autonomous microprobes could reach the system within decades. For the first time, interstellar exploration lies within the realm of engineering rather than fantasy. Proxima b is not only a scientific target, it is a destination. What we find there will echo across history. Proxima b is a world of contradictions, near yet unreachable, hostile yet promising, familiar yet alien. It orbits a violent star, locked between fire and ice, shaped by forces that test the limits of habitability. And yet it endures. Whether Proxima B hosts life or stands as a warning, it forces us to confront a deeper truth. Life may not require gentle stars or perfect conditions, only time, energy, and resilience.